The California condor is a critically endangered species of vulture that is native to North America. It is one of the rarest bird species in the world. It was on the brink of extinction in the late 20th century, with only a handful of individuals remaining in the wild. The exact number of California condors can change over time as new individuals are born, and others may face challenges in the wild. Historically, California condors inhabited a range that extended from western North America down to Baja California in Mexico. They prefer rugged, often inaccessible terrain, including canyons and cliffs. The majority of the California condor's plumage is black. This includes its body feathers and wings. The head and neck of the California condor are mostly bare and display a dull pink to orange color. This bareness helps prevent bacterial growth when the condor feeds on carrion. In flight, the underside of the wings forms a large, triangular patch of white feathers near the wingtips. This is a notable feature when observing condors soaring in the sky. They have a distinctive shape with long, broad wings that are adapted for soaring. The tail is relatively short and squared at the tip. The head of the California condor is relatively small compared to its body. They have a powerful, hooked beak that is well suited for tearing into carrion. California condors are the largest land birds in North America. They have an impressive wingspan that can reach up to 3 meters. Adult condors are heavy birds, with males weighing around 9 to 11 kilograms, and females being slightly heavier. Condors are excellent flyers, and their large wings allow them to soar for long distances without flapping. They often use rising air currents to gain altitude and cover large foraging areas. Their flight is graceful, and they can cover vast distances in search of food. California condors are known for their social behavior. They often feed in groups, and communal roosting sites are common. Social interactions include various vocalizations and displays, such as hissing, grunting, and head bobbing. While condors are highly social birds, they may still establish and defend territories, especially around nesting sites and important feeding areas. Dominance displays and interactions can be observed as they establish and maintain their territories. Condors typically roost in large trees or on cliffs. Communal roosting is common, especially during the night. Roosting sites are important for social interactions and protection. California condors are considered intelligent birds. Young condors learn from older, more experienced individuals within the group. This social learning is essential for acquiring skills such as finding food and understanding their environment. While not known for using tools in the same way as some other intelligent bird species, condors do use their beaks and talons effectively to tear into carcasses and access food. Condors show adaptability and problem-solving skills in their natural environment. For example, they have to locate and access carrion, which may require navigating diverse landscapes and overcoming obstacles. California condors are known for their impressive soaring and navigation abilities. They can cover vast distances in search of food, indicating a keen understanding of their environment. Condors often produce hissing sounds, especially during social interactions or when they feel threatened. Hissing may be used as a warning or as a means of expressing dominance. Condors may emit grunting sounds, particularly during feeding or when interacting with each other. These grunts can serve as communication signals within the group. Growling sounds may be produced during aggressive interactions, especially when condors are competing for food or establishing dominance within the social hierarchy. California condors are known for their distinctive wheeze calls, which can vary in pitch and intensity. These calls are often used for communication between individuals, and they may serve different purposes, including locating each other or signaling the presence of food. Condors can produce a bill clacking sound, which involves the rapid snapping or clacking of their bills. This behavior is often observed during social interactions and may have a role in communication or establishing dominance. California condors feed on the remains of large mammals, including deer, cattle, and other animals. They are adapted to detect the scent of decaying flesh from great distances, allowing them to locate potential food sources. One significant threat to California condors is lead poisoning. Condors may ingest lead fragments from spent lead ammunition left in carcasses by hunters. Lead poisoning is a major conservation concern and has led to various efforts to reduce lead exposure in condor habitats. Condors often feed in groups, and communal feeding on a single carcass is common. This behavior can lead to a feeding hierarchy, with dominant individuals getting priority access to the food. They have expansive foraging ranges, and they can cover large distances in search of carrion. Their excellent soaring and gliding abilities allow them to efficiently cover varied landscapes. They use their powerful beaks and talons to tear into carrion, accessing the nutritious soft tissues. Their adaptations for scavenging include a relatively weak bill compared to raptors, as they do not need to capture live prey. While condors obtain much of their moisture from the flesh of the animals they consume, they also need to drink water. They may visit water sources, such as rivers or lakes, to drink and maintain their hydration. In the wild, California condors can live to be around 20 to 30 years old. However, their survival is influenced by various factors, including environmental conditions, food availability, and potential threats like lead poisoning. In captivity, where they are part of managed breeding and conservation programs, California condors may live even longer. Some individuals have been known to reach or exceed 40 years of age in captivity. Condors have a slow reproductive rate. They typically breed once every 2 years, and the breeding pairs share responsibilities in caring for the chick. Nests are often located on cliffs for protection. Condors prefer nesting sites on cliffs, usually in rugged and remote terrain. These locations offer protection from predators and disturbances. They do not construct elaborate nests like some other bird species. Instead, they use natural features of the cliff, such as ledges or crevices, to create a simple nesting site. They may also use materials like twigs or branches to line the nest. The breeding season varies, but it often occurs in winter or early spring. The female lays a single egg, and both parents take turns incubating it. The incubation period for the egg is approximately 54 to 58 days. Both the male and female California condors share the responsibility of incubating the egg, taking shifts to keep it warm and protected. After the egg hatches, the parents continue to care for the chick. The chick is fed regurgitated food by both parents. The fledging period, during which the chick learns to fly and becomes more independent, can take several months. California condors exhibit cooperative parenting. Both the male and female are actively involved in caring for the egg, incubating it, and feeding the chick. This collaborative effort is crucial for the chick's survival. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for even more viewing pleasure. Don't forget, like and comment. Feel free to share.